My experience in this classroom management episode made me realize that effective management is the foundation of a successful learning environment. During my internship, I encountered challenges such as students being noisy and frequently moving around, which disrupted the flow of the lesson. However, I learned to apply simple yet effective strategies like proximity control and giving focused attention to manage their behavior without interrupting the class. I also understood the importance of establishing clear routines, consistent rules, and fair consequence to main order and promote discipline. At the same time, I realized that positive enforcement and respectful communication are most effective in encouraging good behavior than purely effective measures. This experience taught me that classroom management is not just about strict control, but creating structured, supportive, and respectful environment where students feel safe, engaged, and ready to learn.